All right, Andrew. Microwave.
Wait, what's the time?
The time. Oh, what is the time?
Plugged in?
It's recording right now. What's the time?
Yeah, this is plugged in.
Yeah, it's plugged in.
It doesn't appear to be.
What's the official time right now?
I don't know.
Because it's not recorded on this video.
It is 11:38.
11:38.
So if we die.
Yeah, so if we die, 11:38 on February what?
But
5th?
how long should I put this in
Six?
for is what I'm saying.
Oh, it's already set on the timer. Just hit start. Here.
I like the match and run away.
All right, well, everyone.
You ready?
Hold on. Let's take credit where credit's due. Mad scientist here. Hey. All right, let's do this.
It didn't let. Hold on.
Went out.
Stop it before you open.
Can we turn the fan off?
Can we?
No.
Probably not.
What if I just got killed by plasma right now?
Oh God.
Alright.
Maybe put 2 on there. Give it more flame.
Some extra flame, that ought to do the trick.
So it doesn't go out with the fan.
What we should do is just take this fucking thing off.
No. I'm telling you that's where it's at.
It's integral.
Yeah.
Alright.
There you go. Start it up. Hit start. Oh, it's already out.
Oh,
Nope.
wait. It was. No. It made it for a brief moment. Alright. 3 this time?
3rd time's the charm.
Are we gonna do it with 3?
I got an idea.
Alright.
No. What's up?
What's your idea? It's not cupping in the, it's making the fan, like, have access to the flame by not taking that off.
So start it.
Start it.
What? Start button.
It's already out.
Damn, it's not working.
Is there a
I'll tell you
quickness?
what's not gonna work.
Is there a low speed?
You know what? Let me see the lighter.
Maybe you could use an incense.
No, I got this. I got this, you guys. Sorry.
Someone turn the lights off.
No, hold on. You gotta catch it just right. Because it's the lack of oxygen. Hold on. Let me start this up. Clear.
It's not gonna start if the door's open.
I know. Trust me. Hold on.
Oh shit.
Yeah, turn that light off.
Oh shit!
There it goes. Alright, that's good enough.
That's good enough.
Don't breathe into the air.